In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Shiba Inu on Binance with either a credit card or a bank transfer. This isn't financial advice, I am not a financial advisor, so let's go to my computer and I'll show you what you need to do. So we're going to be using Binance to do this. I'll go ahead and leave a link to Binance in the description below. Now once you've signed up and you've created your account on Binance, which will take around 30 seconds, what you want to do, you want to go to your profile icon in the top right hand corner and then head over to identification. On Binance and any exchange, you're going to need to verify your account before you can start to buy and sell different cryptocurrencies here. So go ahead and make sure you've verified your personal details and your address. This can be done with a government issued ID. So after you've done that, you can now go to buy crypto and you've got two main options here. You've got bank deposit or you've got credit card. Now you can deposit with bank and you'll pay no fees, but you'll have to wait between 1 and 3 days to get your money. Or you can go ahead and buy with credit card. It will go through instantly, but you'll pay more fees. I'll show you how you can do both. First, I'm going to show you with credit card. So to buy with credit card, you'd go credit/debit card, and then it will load up this buying window here where you can buy crypto. In this window, there will be a button which allows you to add your credit card. You can see I've already got mine added here. So now what we can do, we can change the currency to your home currency. I'm going to change it to Great British Pounds. I can then go to coin and I can go ahead and buy Shiba by typing in SHIB. And we can go ahead and just buy Shiba with our credit or debit card, and I can buy between £15,000 and £5,000 worth. So I would just enter in the amount here. I can then click buy SHIB. And it's going to give me a preview window where I can accept the fees and it will tell me how much SHIB I'm going to get. So if I'm happy with that, I can then go and confirm that transaction, and that's all you've got to do if you want to buy with card. You will then see your SHIB in wallet, fiat and spot, and you will just see your SHIB here. Because I didn't buy any though, I'm not going to see any in my wallet. Now if you were to buy with bank transfer, what you would do is you'll go to buy crypto, bank transfer, and you will go ahead and send your local currency over to Binance. So you can see you can go to faster payments and you can go ahead and send your currency here to Binance. This will take 1 to 3 days for your currency to show up. Now once you've gone ahead and sent your currency, it will show up in your fiat and spot wallet. So for me, I would send Great British Pounds and it would show up here. So currently I don't have any in my wallet. But now if I wanted to buy Shiba with Great British Pounds, if I go to trade, I can't actually trade Great British Pounds straight into Shiba. So what I would have to do, I would have to trade my Great British Pounds into another coin which has a pair with Shiba. So to check this, what I would do, I would go to trade and then I would open up the classic window. And I can go to the search box and type in SHIB. And you can see here I can buy Shiba with USDT or BUSD. So what I can do, I can now go to trade, I can go to convert, and I can go ahead and convert my Great British Pounds into either USDT or BUSD. So if I go here and I just type in Great British Pounds, I can then swap my GBP into, I'll just do USDT for the video. So I could then swap my Great British Pounds into USDT. So I could go ahead and say if I had £15 Great British Pounds in my wallet, I could go ahead and enter that and then convert. Once that's done, we can then go to trade and then the classic window, which will bring you back to here. You can then type in SHIB, click on SHIB USDT. That's going to open up the pair that you can buy Shiba with USDT. You can then scroll down, go to market, and you can see here you're buying SHIB with USDT, which you've just converted from Great British Pounds. We can then use this slider here to either use all of our USDT, 50% and so on. And all you would do now is you would go ahead and buy SHIB. So that's how easy it is to buy SHIB with both credit card and your bank account. I hope that video was helpful. Please do make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe for more crypto tutorials.